What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Orion Pax from Transformers 1. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of our page you draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, so I'm going to start from the very top. I'm going to come all the way down towards the bottom of the eye, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So I'm going to start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a ring along the inside of the eye. So I'm drawing a smaller circle. And we'll draw a smaller circle in the center for the pupils. Now I want to draw a straight line going across the top of the eye. So on the left side, we're going to line this up, go out, go straight across the top of the circles, and then out towards the right. Now in between the eyes, I want to tuck the nose underneath that line. So on the left, I'm going to step in. I just want to angle this down and then out to right about there. Move over towards the right, draw that same angled line coming down towards the same height. And then we'll close off the bottom. Now let's move up and draw a straight line to create a bevel. From the bottom of the nose, we're going to step down, add a curve from the top edge of the mouth. Go back to the left, draw the bottom of the mouth, coming down and then up. And then we're going to draw that same line underneath with the teeth, and we'll fill the bottom area in black. Now let's go back up to the top and draw the inside edge of the helmet. From the outside left eye, I'm going to step out, draw a straight line coming down to right about there. I want to angle this down and then in, and then angle this down towards the chin. Let's close off the bottom with a curve across the chin. Let's draw the front edge of that bevel. From the outside of this line, draw a straight line coming down. I'm just going to line this up with this point, and then just connect those 2 points, and do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw that same angled line coming down, and we'll flatten this off. Now from the bottom corners of the chin, we'll draw that same length line going out towards the side, and then slope this down. And then from that bottom corner, angle this up and out. Connect the end of that line to this point with a straight angled line. Now I'm going to add a gray texture along this inside area. So from the top, step down. I'm just going to continue to add these lines going across. Now I'm going to go back up to the top. I'm going to extend these lines going up. Now I want to close off the top with a curve. Starting on the left side, we're going to go up and in towards the middle. Let's round this out and then bring that back down towards the right. In the center, step up, draw a straight line going across, and then angle this up and then out. Now I'm going to trace this shape along the inside. So start with that curve across the top, come down the sides, and then flatten this off. Let's add a line going across the center. I'm going to add 2 more going up. Now from here we're going to draw that centerpiece. Let's angle this up and in towards the top, curve the top. And then again, we're just going to trace the inside of that shape. Draw a straight line going across the middle, and then 2 more going up. Now we're going to go back to the corners of the head, angle this up and then in. And we'll follow that same curve going up in behind that centerpiece. From these 2 points, draw a straight line going up, flatten this off. And I want to angle this down towards this point. Now let's place the ear covers along the side of the head. We're going to start from the end of this line, angle this down and out. From the jaw, let's step up, angle this up and out. Let's connect the top and bottom with a curve. Let's add a small antenna on each side. So from this point, draw a straight line going up, round out the top, and then come straight down. Now just underneath the chin, we're going to draw a small half circle for the neck, coming down and then up. And then on the side, draw a straight line going across the top of the body. Let's come straight down the side. And we'll flatten off the bottom. Let's add some detail to the body. Halfway down this line, come straight in. Do the same thing on the right. Come down and in. And then we'll flatten that off. Let's go back to these points, angle this down and out. Now I want to draw another line along the bottom. From the bottom corners, we're going to step in, angle the body, coming down and in towards the hip. And then come straight down, and then flatten that off. Now let's angle this back down and in towards the middle, and close off the bottom. Now from here, it's going to angle the hip, going up and then out. Angle this up and in. And we'll pull that down towards the hip. Along the top, we'll draw 2 more lines coming down at an angle. Let's leave a gap in the center. On either side, we're going to angle this up and in towards the top, and we'll flatten that off. Now, we're going to go back to the inside. We're going to draw the inside edge of the leg, going out and then down towards the knee. And then here, we're just going to draw a small oval. From the bottom of the oval, draw a straight line coming down towards the heels. And we'll draw a straight line going all the way out towards the outside of the feet. From the outside, draw a straight line going up. Angle this up and then in. And then draw a straight angle line coming down towards the heels. Now let's go back to the toe. From this point, draw a straight line coming in. Now to go back to this point, draw a straight line going up, bend this in, and then down on top of that oval. Now from the hip, we're going to step in, bend the leg going out, and then down. Now we're going to go back up to the top corners of the body, draw a straight angle line going up and out across the top of the shoulders. Now I want to round up the shoulder, come down with an angled line. Let's draw a straight angled line coming across the inside of the elbows. And then from here, draw that same angled line coming up, and we'll bend that in towards the side of the body. Let's go to the outside corner, draw a straight line coming in. And I want to follow that same curve, going up, and pull that in towards the side of the body. inside the arm, draw a straight line coming down. Now we're going to go back to the inside corner of the arm, draw a straight line coming down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to add 3 fingers on either side. Start from the bottom of the thumb, come down and bend that up around that bracket. Go to the side, add that second finger. And then the third finger, we're just going to pull this around towards the outside of the wrist. Let's close off the wrist with a curve. Now from the shoulder, we're going to step in. I'm just going to bend the arm going out and then down towards the outside of the wrist. And then we're just going to add a seam across the top. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Orion Pax from Transformers 1. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.